Committee report on the disagreeing votes on House Bill number 4058, the fiscal year 2026 General Appropriations Bill. I move that we ratify the said Conference Committee report.
Mr. Speaker,
All those in favor of the Conference Committee report say aye.
Aye!
All those against say nay.
Mr. Speaker,
The ayes have it. The said Conference Committee report is ratified. Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move to adjourn session until January 26, 2026 at 3 in the afternoon.
Session is adjourned until January 26, 2026 at 3 p.m.
Dahil ito po ang main point ko, hindi yung use nito, pero yung proseso. Ang panawagan ko, i-debate natin lahat ng mga budget, lalo na yung mga ini-increase ng budget, dahil ang Kongreso ay nagtaas ng sariling budget ng 10.5 billion pesos na walang debate. At ayaw ko pong sabihin na ginagawa ito na walang nag-question, kaya napahayag po ako para lang on the record na hindi ito naaprubahan na walang nag-question. May nag-question pero hindi pinagbigyan tayo na talakayin ito sa Kongreso ngayong araw.